I would recommend the Good Change Eco Fundraiser to any school. It was such a success. We sold about 1,900 packs which made the school $4,000. The Eco Fundraiser is better than other fundraisers because it's a more sustainable product that we're selling compared to like chocolate fundraisers that people just eat it and it's doesn't have a lasting value. Our tamariki learned that many dishcloths actually release microplastics that pollute our environment, and also they learned that they're able to make their own choices about more sustainable solutions rather than just the ones that are sold on the shelves. The Good Change Eco Fundraiser was really easy to run because they came in and provided us with all the marketing and promotional videos, so we shared that in classrooms and at assembly. I think the Eco Cloth Fundraiser was such a success because this day and age people like buying products that are a bit more sustainable. I really recommend any school getting out there and doing this fundraiser. It's awesome.